Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix iPhone cellular data not working. It's a nightmare when you can't access a cellular network. No cellular network icon shows in the status bar at the top right or left corner. Or you only see 4 bars without seeing 5G, LTE, 4G, or 3G. Worse still, your phone loses its ability to connect to the internet when a cellular data network isn't working. That means you can't make calls, receive messages, use apps, or visit websites unless a Wi-Fi network is connected. Don't worry, here's a video guide to explain why iPhone cellular data is not working and how to troubleshoot cellular data issues in easy steps. Why is your iPhone not connecting to the cellular network? The most common reason is that your cellular data plan is inactive or you reach the data limit. If that isn't the case, here are some possible culprits. Your phone carrier provider doesn't cover the area you're in. You've turned on airplane mode or the Wi-Fi feature. A software glitch crops up in the phone's operating system. Wrong network configuration causes iPhone cellular data to stop working. The SIM card gets dirty, damaged, or loose. The phone or carrier system settings are outdated. Other hardware issues lead to iPhone cellular connection issues. Now, follow me to walk through how to fix cellular data not working on an iPhone. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. It doesn't matter which phone carrier you're using, be it AT&T, T-Mobile, or Verizon. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Basic checks on iPhone cellular data. 1. Turn off cellular data, then turn it on through the Control Center or the Settings app. 2. Make sure you're in a coverage area for cellular connection. 3. Take a note that some iPhone cellular data doesn't work while on call. 4. Check if you have enough data on your plan and haven't reached the data limit. 5. If you can't use an app, make sure it's using cellular data. Go to Settings, tap Apps, tap the app you can't use and tap Wireless Data to see if you allow it to use cellular network. Toggle off airplane mode. If the airplane mode is enabled, the mobile network will be cut down and your iPhone cellular data will stop working. So, take a few seconds to check if you've turned on airplane mode. Open Control Center by swiping up or down from your iPhone home screen. Locate the airplane icon. If it's on, tap the icon once to disable the airplane mode. If it's off, turn it on for a few seconds and then turn it off. Then, test and see if you manage to get iPhone connected to the cellular network. Disable Wi-Fi feature. Same as the airplane mode, the Wi-Fi feature is also likely to disable cellular data. If your iPhone works well on Wi-Fi but will not connect on cellular data, time to toggle it off. Open Control Center by swiping up or down from home screen on your iPhone. Locate the Wi-Fi icon. If it's on, tap the icon once to toggle off Wi-Fi. If it's off, turn it on for a few seconds and then turn it off. Wait for your device to connect to the carrier's network, then see if it works. Turn off iPhone, then turn it back on. A quick restart can fix a variety of system issues, including the iPhone cellular data not working problems. It only takes you a minute to remove temporary software malfunctions and then refresh the cellular connection while keeping all your data safe and sound. Here's what you need to do. If you're using an iPhone 10 or later models, press both volume up or down button and the side button together and drag the power off slider to shut down the device. Wait at least 30 seconds, then long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older models, long press the side button and drag the power off slider to shut down the device. Wait at least 30 seconds, then long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. If everything goes well, you should find that the iPhone connects to the carrier and cellular data works again. Update your phone's carrier settings. Most cellular service providers will routinely launch carrier update. It's good, but sometimes this could prevent your iPhone from connecting cellular data properly. If you can't get cellular data all of a sudden, the phone carrier settings may require an update. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings, tap on General, select About. If there's a dialog prompting you that a carrier update is available, go through the on-screen steps to install it. Check if your iPhone is connected to the cellular network and the mobile data works normally. Inspect the SIM card. The SIM card makes sense in facilitating a connection between your iPhone and the cellular network. If there's something wrong with the SIM card, your iPhone won't connect to cellular data. To check it out, locate the SIM card tray on your iPhone. Insert a SIM eject tool or paperclip into the pinhole and apply pressure to pop it out. Then, pull out the tray and take out the SIM card. Take a close look at the SIM card to inspect if it's improperly seated, bent or scratched, or covered by dust and dirt on the card's metal contacts. If it's bad, ask your carrier for a new SIM card. If it's good, put the SIM card back and wait for your iPhone to connect with the local carrier to see if the cellular data works. Update iOS in the Settings app. Like the phone carriers, your phone manufacturer also performs updates on the system. An iOS update may help fix cellular data not working on iPhone and reconnect the data. To check if there is a recently released iOS update, go to Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If it lists a new update and offers the Update Now button, just tap it and follow the on-screen steps to upgrade the system. After the update, see if your iPhone connects to the cellular data. Reset all network-related settings on iPhone. This should be one of the final steps to try troubleshooting cellular data connection issue. After resetting iPhone's network settings, all saved networks will be disconnected and connection history will be cleared. This includes Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, cellular settings, VPN-C configuration, etc. Here's how to fix iPhone cellular data that's not working. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and it'll give you several reset options. Find and tap Reset Network Settings. Enter the lock passcode to confirm the action. The process might take a few seconds to complete. After all the network settings are reset, try connecting to mobile carrier's network again and see if cellular data works this time. Contact official support for help. If iPhone cellular data isn't working and you don't have access to an internet connection after attempting all the steps, contact official support for help. Maybe the fault is at the cellular company. Perhaps iPhone cellular data isn't working because of the damaged hardware components. So, contact the customer support of the phone carrier and phone manufacturer separately for troubleshooting. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix iPhone cellular data not working. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in access the device again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.